Hey friends, this is Atif Opierfal and welcome to the update on Render. Recently, Render broke down this descending triangle, then we had a big drop. And before that, you can see that Render also broke out this down channel as well. And after the breakout, we had a nice pump. And by the way, the target that I was telling you for this breakout, the technical target, was here at the top of the channel, approximately at $13.80. And the price then moved up to $11.07. We were very close to hit that target, but then we found this downtrend and resistance could not break out this descending triangle, and now we have broken it down. Then we had a big drop. Recently, Render has broken down another very, very significant support zone. That starts from $3.40 and goes to $2.95. That was previously working as support zone here and support zone here. Let me show you on the 7 days time frame chart. And you can see that for the past several months, it was working as a very strong support zone. It was working as support zone here, and for a few weeks, it has been working as support zone here. Before that, it was working as a resistance zone and resistance zone here, and now after this breakdown, it can again work as a strong resistance for the price line of Render. And now there is a probability that soon we may also test this next long-term support here at $2. And at the same time, it can also retest the previous support of this channel as well. By the way, this $2 was previously working as a resistance here and support here. Here you can see that for a few weeks it has been working as support. And therefore, again, it can work as a strong support for the price line of Render. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of Feb 2025. In the video's description, you just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for Pendle, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 8th of Feb 2025 with my members. And here you can also find the complete trade setup as well. Like this, the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of Render. And here you can see that for the past several days, Render was moving inside this descending triangle. And after the breakdown, we had a big drop. And the technical target that I was telling you for this breakdown was here. That was approximately at $3.73. And now you can see that the price and has dropped more than that. For a few days, it has been accumulated above the previous resistance of the channel and testing this resistance of the channel as support. But now we have broken it down and re-entered the same channel that we have recently broken out as well. And now there is a probability that we may test the support of the channel somewhere here, approximately at $2. And at the same time, it can also test this very, very long-term support of $2 as well, because we have also broken down another very, very significant resistance zone that starts from $3.40 and goes to $2.95. That was previously working as support zone here, support zone here, support zone here. And on the 7 days time frame chart, it's more visible. You can see that here it was working as support, resistance, and resistance. And therefore now again it can work as a strong resistance for the price line. And this is the $2 support that now it can test. And this $2 has been previously working as a resistance here and support here. And this time it can again work as a strong support for the price line of Render. And if we take a look at the RSI on this 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that RSI is also about to enter the oversold zone as well. Previously, when it falls in the oversold zone here, then we broke out this very big and long-term down channel, and then we had a very, very massive rally. Therefore, this time, if the RSI again enters the oversold zone, then there will be a probability that we may see another bounce from this support of $2. And then the price then can first break out this long-term resistance zone that starts from $2.95 and goes to $3.40. And then we may see a powerful move to the next resistance here at $8. And this $8 has been, by the way, previously working as a resistance here for a few weeks. And before that, it was also working as a resistance here. And almost here, it has been working as a support as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because then I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.